Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ASNS. We will take a look at the 15-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 15-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 15 minutes. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while, so well above average volume. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. The first level of support is what I would call the ideal level of support. When you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above $3.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below there, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can stay up above there, that would definitely be a huge sign of power. Next level of support after that would be this previous breakout area down here around the $3 mark, probably $3.10 to be a little bit more precise, but general area right down around the $3 mark is going to be that next level of support, assuming 375 cannot hold up. So keep an eye on these couple levels going forward. As far as levels of resistance, so in terms of, where the sellers are hanging out at, let's change this to red for resistance. Pretty straightforward. Several times today, the price got right up around the 450-ish mark and could never quite push through. Actually, what was the high? The high was okay, 450 exactly. So 450 is where the sellers decided to finally show up, and that'll be public enemy number one going forward. So keep an eye on that. All in all, though, by no means does the price have to break above 450. I mean, the price has made a huge move, and sometimes the best thing after a huge move is just some healthy consolidation and the building of a higher base. So I don't want to come across like the price has got to break above 450 or else it's a total failure. Nothing like that. A lot of movement has occurred, meaning a lot of people are probably staring at green. And now it's just a matter of digesting the people that want to get out and allowing others to get back in. So we'll see how this one consolidates going forward. But yeah, no doubt about it. Very nice price movement today. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.